10 habits that damage your liver daily. Did you know that some common habits might be destroying your liver without you realizing it? The liver is one of the most important organs in our body, responsible for various vital functions such as detoxification, production of essential proteins, and energy storage. In today's video, we will explore 10 daily habits that could be damaging your liver. By understanding how these habits affect our body, we can make important changes to protect our health. Stay until the end and discover how small changes can make a big difference. Do you care about your liver health? Have you ever thought that seemingly harmless habits could be harming your liver? Stay with us until the end to find out how small changes can make a big difference. Let's get started. 10 habits that damage your liver daily. Habit 1. Excessive alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption is one of the main risk factors for liver health. The liver is responsible for metabolizing alcohol, but when consumed in large quantities, it can cause severe damage. The initial condition resulting from excessive alcohol intake is alcoholic fatty liver disease, characterized by the accumulation of fat in liver cells, which can cause inflammation and cellular damage. If excessive alcohol consumption continues, the condition can progress to alcoholic hepatitis, which is inflammation of the liver. Symptoms of alcoholic hepatitis include jaundice, abdominal pain, and fever. In the long term, chronic inflammation can lead to cirrhosis, an irreversible condition where healthy liver tissue is replaced by scar tissue. Cirrhosis can lead to liver failure, requiring a liver transplant. To protect liver health, it is essential to moderate alcohol consumption. Experts recommend that women consume no more than 1 alcoholic drink per day and men no more than 2. The definition of a standard drink varies, but generally includes a can of beer, 12 ounces, a glass of wine, 5 ounces, or a shot of liquor, 1.5 ounces. It's also important to have alcohol-free days to allow the liver to recover. Moderation in alcohol consumption not only protects the liver, but also benefits overall health by reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases, hypertension, and various types of cancer. Adopting a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet and regular exercise can help minimize the negative effects of alcohol and promote liver health. Habit 2. High-fat diet. A high-fat diet, especially one rich in saturated and trans fats, is extremely harmful to the liver. Excessive fat consumption leads to the accumulation of fat in liver cells, resulting in a condition known as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. This condition is similar to alcoholic fatty liver disease, but occurs in people who drink little or no alcohol. NAFLD is a precursor to more severe liver diseases such as non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, NASH, which can progress to cirrhosis and liver cancer. To prevent fatty liver disease, it is crucial to adopt a balanced diet. A healthy diet should include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Reducing the intake of processed and fried foods, which are high in saturated and trans fats, is essential. Replacing these fats with healthy fats found in fish, nuts, seeds, and olive oil can benefit the liver. Besides choosing the right foods, cooking methods are also important. Opting for grilling, baking, or steaming instead of frying helps reduce the intake of harmful fats. Proper portion control and avoiding excessive calorie intake are also vital measures to prevent fat accumulation in the liver. Regular physical activity complements a healthy diet by helping maintain an appropriate body weight and improving liver function. Aerobic exercises such as walking, running, or swimming are particularly beneficial for liver health. A combination of a balanced diet and regular physical activity can significantly reduce the risk of diet-related liver diseases. Habit 3. Indiscriminate use of medications. The indiscriminate use of medications is a common but extremely dangerous practice for liver health. Many people resort to self-medication to treat pain, fever, and other conditions without the guidance of a healthcare professional. Medications like analgesics, anti-inflammatory drugs, and antibiotics, when used excessively or inappropriately, can cause severe liver damage. The liver is the organ responsible for metabolizing most medications. When a drug dose is excessive, or when multiple medications are taken simultaneously without a doctor's prescription, the liver can become overloaded. This can lead to serious liver injuries, such as drug-induced hepatitis, which is inflammation of the liver caused by chemical substances in medications. In severe cases, this condition can progress to liver failure, which can be fatal. To protect the liver, it is essential to always follow a doctor's instructions regarding medication use. Avoiding self-medication and using medications only when prescribed by a healthcare professional are fundamental measures. If prolonged medication use is necessary, regular medical follow-up is crucial to monitor liver health and adjust doses as needed. Additionally, being aware of drug interactions is important. Some medications can enhance the toxic effects of others when taken together. Informing the doctor about all medications and supplements being taken helps prevent these dangerous interactions. Finally, considering natural alternatives and lifestyle changes for managing chronic conditions can reduce the need for medications. For example, practices like physical therapy, acupuncture, and relaxation techniques can help control pain without overloading the liver with medications. Habit 4. Lack of hydration. Water is vital for the proper functioning of all body systems, including the liver. Lack of hydration can compromise the liver's ability to detoxify the body, leading to the accumulation of toxins and negatively affecting liver health. The liver relies on an adequate supply of fluids to perform its functions of metabolizing substances, synthesizing proteins, and storing nutrients. When the body is dehydrated, blood flow to the liver decreases, impairing its efficiency. This can result in a reduced capacity of the liver to filter toxins and waste from the blood. Chronic dehydration can worsen existing liver conditions and contribute to the development of new liver diseases. To maintain a healthy liver, it is essential to consume an adequate amount of water daily. The general recommendation is at least 8 glasses of water per day, but this need can vary depending on the climate, physical activity level, and individual health conditions. Besides water, consuming water-rich fruits and vegetables, such as watermelon, cucumber, and oranges, can help keep the body hydrated. An effective way to ensure adequate hydration is to carry a water bottle throughout the day and set reminders to drink water regularly. During intense physical activities or in hot climates, fluid intake should be increased to compensate for water loss through sweat. In addition to maintaining hydration, it is important to avoid excessive consumption of diuretic beverages like coffee, tea, and alcohol, which can increase fluid loss. Opting for non-sugary and electrolyte-rich drinks can also help maintain the body's water balance. Staying well hydrated not only benefits liver function but also improves overall health, promoting healthy skin, better digestion, and higher energy levels. Habit 5. Excessive sugar consumption. Excessive sugar consumption is harmful to the liver as it can lead to the accumulation of liver fat and the development of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Sugar, especially refined sugar and high fructose corn syrup, is metabolized by the liver. When consumed in excess, it turns into fat, which accumulates in liver cells, impairing the organ's function. Fructose, in particular, is metabolized exclusively by the liver, and its high intake is directly linked to increased liver fat. Sugary drinks, sweets, processed foods, and desserts are common sources of added sugars that contribute to this problem. NAFLD can progress to more severe conditions such as non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, NASH, which involves inflammation and can develop into cirrhosis and liver cancer. To protect the liver, it is essential to limit sugar intake. Opting for natural and minimally processed foods is an excellent strategy. Fresh fruits are a healthy alternative to sweets and sugary desserts, providing fiber, vitamins, and essential minerals without the negative effects of refined sugar. Reading food labels is also crucial to identify hidden sugars. Many industrial products, including sauces, cereals, and bread, contain added sugars that can go unnoticed. Reducing the consumption of sugary drinks, such as sodas and commercial juices, is one of the most effective changes to decrease sugar intake. Adopting a diet rich in lean proteins, whole grains, vegetables, and healthy fats can help stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent fat accumulation in the liver. Additionally, regular physical activity improves insulin sensitivity and helps manage weight, contributing to liver health. Maintaining an appropriate balance in sugar consumption is essential not only for liver health, but also for preventing other chronic conditions such as type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. Habit 6. Sedentary lifestyle. A sedentary lifestyle is a significant risk factor for liver health and overall well-being. Lack of physical activity can contribute to fat accumulation in the liver, increasing the risk of developing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Furthermore, a sedentary lifestyle is associated with other health conditions such as obesity, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases, which can further exacerbate liver problems. Regular physical activity helps maintain a healthy body weight, improves insulin sensitivity, and promotes fat burning, including the fat stored in the liver. Aerobic exercises such as walking, running, swimming, or cycling are particularly effective in reducing liver fat. Studies show that even moderate physical activities, performed regularly, can have a significant positive impact on liver health. Incorporating physical activity into daily routines does not have to be complicated. Small changes, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator, walking during work breaks, or engaging in a favorite sport, can make a big difference. At least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity per week, spread over several days, is recommended. In addition to aerobic exercises, muscle-strengthening activities such as weightlifting or practicing yoga are also beneficial. These activities help build muscle mass, which increases metabolism and facilitates calorie burning. Prolonged sedentarism, such as sitting for long periods, should also be avoided. Taking regular breaks to stand and move, even for a few minutes, can help counteract the negative effects of a sedentary lifestyle. Setting reminders to stand up and stretch throughout the day is a helpful strategy. Staying active is one of the most effective ways to protect the liver and improve overall health. The combination of a healthy diet and regular physical activity creates a balanced lifestyle that favors the proper functioning of the liver and the entire body. Habit 7. Exposure to toxins. Exposure to environmental toxins can overload the liver, making it difficult to detoxify the body and eventually leading to liver damage. Toxins can be found in pesticides, industrial chemicals, air pollution, and even common household products such as cleaning supplies and cosmetics. These chemicals can be absorbed by the body through ingestion, inhalation, or skin contact, accumulating in the liver and impairing its function. To minimize exposure to toxins and protect liver health, it is important to adopt some preventive practices. Choosing organic foods whenever possible is an effective way to reduce pesticide intake. Additionally, thoroughly washing fruits and vegetables before consumption helps remove pesticide residues from their surface. At home, opting for natural or homemade cleaning and cosmetic products, free from harsh chemicals, can significantly reduce exposure to toxins. Properly ventilating the house when using cleaning products and avoiding the use of sprays and aerosols are also important measures. Using protective equipment such as gloves and masks when handling chemicals can prevent toxin absorption through the skin and lungs. Spending more time outdoors in areas with low air pollution is another strategy to reduce exposure to environmental toxins. In urban areas, where air pollution is higher, using air purifiers indoors can help improve air quality and protect respiratory and liver health. Besides these practices, maintaining a diet rich in antioxidants can help the liver neutralize and eliminate toxins. Foods such as berries, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower, garlic, and green tea contain compounds that support liver function and aid in detoxification. Adopting a conscious lifestyle and taking steps to reduce toxin exposure are essential for maintaining liver health and preventing liver diseases. These practices, combined with a healthy diet and regular physical activity, contribute to overall well-being and longevity. Habit 8. Nutrient-poor diet. A nutrient-poor diet can negatively affect liver function, compromising the liver's ability to perform its vital functions. The liver requires a variety of vitamins and minerals to carry out essential processes such as detoxification, bile production, and protein synthesis. Nutritional deficiencies can lead to liver problems and decrease the liver's ability to regenerate its cells. Vitamins such as A, D, E, and K, which are fat-soluble, play crucial roles in liver health. Vitamin A is important for vision and immune function, while vitamin D regulates calcium and phosphorus absorption. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting liver cells from oxidative damage, and vitamin K is essential for blood clotting. In addition to vitamins, minerals such as zinc, selenium, and magnesium are necessary for liver function. Zinc is vital for protein synthesis and enzymatic function. Selenium has antioxidant properties, and magnesium participates in various biochemical reactions in the body. To ensure that the liver receives the necessary nutrients, it is important to adopt a balanced and varied diet. Including a wide range of natural foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats helps provide the essential vitamins and minerals. Foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, fatty fish, and dairy products are excellent sources of nutrients for the liver. Avoiding restrictive diets that eliminate entire food groups is also crucial. These diets can lead to nutritional deficiencies that affect liver health. Instead, focusing on a sustainable and balanced eating pattern is the best approach to maintaining liver health. Supplementing the diet with vitamins and minerals, when necessary, can be helpful but should always be done under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Nutritional balance is essential for liver health and for preventing diseases related to nutrient deficiencies. Habit 9. Lack of sleep. Chronic lack of sleep can have a significant impact on liver health. Sleep is a crucial period for tissue regeneration and repair in the body, including the liver. During sleep, the liver performs various important functions such as blood detoxification, nutrient metabolism, and protein synthesis. Sleep deprivation can interfere with these processes, leading to toxin accumulation and increased oxidative stress in the liver. Inadequate sleep is also associated with increased levels of inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation can damage liver cells and contribute to the development of liver diseases such as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, and non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, NASH. Additionally, lack of sleep can affect glucose metabolism, increasing the risk of obesity and type 2 diabetes, both risk factors for liver diseases. To improve liver health, it is essential to establish a healthy sleep routine. Creating a relaxing and comfortable sleep environment, avoiding exposure to bright lights and electronics before bed, can help improve sleep quality. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day is also important for regulating the body's circadian rhythm. Relaxation practices such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress and promote more restful sleep. Avoiding caffeine and alcohol consumption before bedtime can also contribute to better sleep quality. Sleeping between 7 to 8 hours per night is generally recommended for most adults. This amount of sleep allows the body and liver to perform their repair and regeneration functions effectively. Prioritizing sleep is a simple yet powerful strategy to protect liver health and improve overall well-being. Habit 10. Chronic stress. Chronic stress can have devastating effects on liver health. When we are under constant stress, the body releases hormones such as cortisol, which can overload the liver. These hormones are necessary for the body's fight-or-flight response, but their constant release can lead to inflammation and cellular damage. Chronic inflammation caused by stress can affect liver function, contributing to the development of liver diseases such as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Additionally, stress can lead to unhealthy behaviors such as poor diet, excessive alcohol consumption, and lack of physical exercise, which further aggravate liver problems. Managing stress is essential for maintaining liver health. Relaxation practices such as meditation, yoga, and breathing exercises can help reduce cortisol levels in the body and relieve stress. Mindfulness techniques, which involve being present in the moment and accepting thoughts and feelings without judgment, are also effective for stress management. Finding time for activities that you enjoy and that relax your mind is equally important. Hobbies, physical exercise, and spending time with friends and family can help alleviate stress and improve overall well-being. Establishing a balanced routine with time for work, leisure, and rest is crucial for keeping stress levels under control. In addition to relaxation practices, taking care of mental health is fundamental. Seeking support from a therapist or counselor can be beneficial for dealing with chronic stress and its underlying causes. Learning healthy coping techniques and building a support network are important steps for managing stress effectively. In summary, chronic stress affects not only mental health but also physical health, including the liver. Adopting strategies to reduce and manage stress is vital for protecting the liver and promoting overall health. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments, which of these habits will you change today? Your participation is very important to us. See you in the next video. Protecting your liver is essential for a long and healthy life. Every little effort counts. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Leave your comment below on which habit you intend to change today. See you next time.